know, the briefcase?
I don't know. Let's have the briefcase full of money.
I think we'll get a lot of money from him. He seems easily frightened.
They've all been frightened. A dragon will do that.
Not a real dragon, a report of a dragon. You have to admit, it's a foolproof plan.
But I thought you told me never admit to anything.
But this is brilliant. We go from kingdom to kingdom with reports of dragon attacks going before us.
But we made up those reports. There is no dragon.
Yes, but nobody knows that. We sell them phony insurance for a dragon that doesn't exist, and boom, they give us money.
I'd like to give us money, Bart.
It's so brilliant. I can't believe you came up with it.
I was having a good day.
You want good days like that, and we'll be rolling it.
That sounds smelly and messy.
I meant money, you manure-minded miscreant.
It still sounds messy.
Believe me, that kind of mess we can handle.
So what happens now?
Well, if the other kingdoms are any indication, they have tried to get their knights to slay the dragon.
And the knights have run away.
And the knights have run away, so they've probably gotten other people to do it. Exterminators, executioners, who are you?
Dog catcher! Dog catcher! I don't care if they're some of the same letters. There's a big difference between a dog and a dragon.
That's a new one. Ah, my friend. Have you given any more thought to our offer?
Well, I need to know, how much money are we talking about?
A prudent question. We'll work with you on this. But let me begin by saying you have such a lovely kingdom.
Lovely.
Such a beautiful place to live.
Beautiful.
It would be a shame if a dragon were to come and destroy it.
A shame. A crying shame. A weeping, lamenting, howling, slobbering, crying shame. Oh, the destruction! Oh, the horror!
Enrico! Do not improvise. In our assessment, we have spendly starting in globally partitioning your kingdom into 7 geographical gerrymandered areas, each necessitating in the particular service only we can provide.
We're the fabulous Verducci brothers.
Federico, they know who we are.
Sometimes they forget. Sometimes I forget.
As I was saying, in order to properly aggrandize and ensure each of your 7 geographical gerrymandered areas from an impending and improbable dragon attack, the policy will require a premium of...
Come cercato per arrivare che possiamo togliere?
Idiota, no, beneficenza!
Come cercato leggendo?
Oh, pensiero, migliore. 13 gold crowns, each, for a total of, see, carry that 91 gold crowns.
That's a lot of money!
You have to remember this is for total coverage from an impending and improbable dragon attack.
If we need it, and do not have it, then we will not have it when we need it. So I guess we'd better get it.
Very good. That is an excellent decision. We agreed to the price of 91 gold crowns, and in return, we, the party of the first part, henceforth and forthwith hereby and by your being here ensure your kingdom, the party of the second part, from a dragon, the party of the third part. If and when, how beaten, so be it, the party of the third part decides to attack the party of the second part, wheresoever they have a party.
So that's it? We give you 91 gold crowns, and then what? How do we know you'll keep your word?
My dear fellow, the Verducci's bird is their bond. But we don't want to leave you with nothing but a hearty handshake and a pat on the back.
Nothing more. See you later. Thank you for the gold. Bye-bye.
Not yet. For you also get a these. Come on. Ah, these.
It's a piece of paper.
This is your policy. It certifies that you have carefully considered your options and decided that the fabulous Verducci brothers are insuring you from a threatened and dastardly dragon.
Look, it's legal-sized and notarized.
It's blank.
What?
It's a blank piece of paper.
Of course it's blank. Every policy is different. We have to fill in the details.
We fill in the blanks and you fill in our pockets.
We shall briefly depart and customize this for you. You get the gold ready, and when you return and sign it, you will feel a great relief, like a weight being lifted from your shoulders.
More like a weight being lifted from your wallet.
What was that?
Nothing. Oh, he's always talking some such nonsense. We will go get the gold. Let's get this done, and quickly.
Very well. We'll meet back here.